Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial on DynamoDB. DynamoDB is one of the NoSQL database service that Amazon provides. It's a fully managed NoSQL database service and it's under the category of software as a service. So not only you don't have to manage the underlying infrastructure, but you don't even have to manage the database layer as well. You simply go ahead and use the database as a software. It provides both key value and document data models that are widely used in e-commerce, mobile, or any internet scale applications. With key value, you have a unique key, for example, user ID, and some values associated with it. And the attributes like the name, address, or employer, or different items may have different attributes, but they can be stored in the same table. It's also a document database, meaning that you can store HTML, XML, or JSON documents as items in the table and then read those attributes from those documents. And in addition, it enables extremely low latency, you can say in single digit millisecond and virtually at any scale. DynamoDB can handle more than 10 trillion requests per day, and it can support peaks of 20 million requests per second over petabytes of data. So it maintains consistent performance no matter how big your table becomes or no matter how many queries are issued per second. It has multi-region native support. So this helps distribute your traffic to different geographic locations that are closer to your users as well as mitigate the effects of some regional failure. So DynamoDB stores data on SSD storage and it replicates across 3 different availability zones. It has multiple master, meaning there is no single point of failure for your cluster, and active data is stored in multiple locations. It has built-in backup and restore, so the continuous backup don't affect the performance or availability of any running database. You can enable any point in time recovery to restore your database at any given second in the preceding 35 days. It also has features like DynamoDB Accelerator or DAX, which gives you an in-memory cache that you can use alongside the database. So with this caching, it improves your read performance by up to 10 times. So to summarize the DynamoDB non-relational database in AWS, it's a NoSQL database service that supports both key value and document data. It's highly scalable, and it's a managed service, which is a software as a service approach, and it has multi-region availability. It has automated backup and restore capability. In terms of security, it is built in with default encryption at rest security, and it is governed by IAM, which is Identity and Access Management, to restrict the user access to only their table, as well as you can have other AWS features as well to enhance the controls. And then it offers in-memory caching with DynamoDB Accelerator that helps to improve the read performance significantly. So this is it on Amazon provided non-relational database. I'll be doing further more videos on other Amazon services in future. Do like, share, subscribe and comment on my videos, and have a good day. Thank you.